Now our next examples are going to be asking us to essentially go backwards from what we were just doing. This time we are given the graph, we have to be able to figure out what the equation is. Well, I know the general form of my equation, we've got x minus x1 and x minus x2. So there are a couple pieces of information that I need. I need to know what my x-intercepts are, and I need to know an a value. If I can figure those out for each of these graphs, I'm going to have everything I need to be able to write an equation. So if I look at number 1, the easiest thing to find first are my intercepts. So I'm going to go look, where is it crossing the x-axis? Well, it looks like here at the point 3, 0, and then here at the point -1, 0. So already I have my 2 intercepts, so I can fill those in. Now make sure when you are filling those in, we are careful. We need them to be opposite how they appear when I put them in the equation. So if I have a -1 on the graph, that means I need a +1 in the equation. A +3 on the graph means we're going to have a -3 in the equation. Now our last piece is to figure out that a value. We can do the same way that we've been finding the a value other times we've been looking at a graph, comparing our special point relationship to what we see happening. So normally I know I go over 1 and up 1. So in this graph I went over 1, but it looks like I went up 2. So I have to ask myself, what did I multiply by to end up going up by 2? Well, I know that I must have multiplied by 2. So we have an a value of 2. So that is all I need to do to be able to find my equation. Identify your intercepts and then figure out the a value the same way that we've been doing so far. I would like you to go ahead and try this other example, check your answer on Schoology, and then keep going through the list.